Should the walls and ceilings be the same color? Dear friends, many people wonder what the pros and cons are of painting your ceilings the same color as your walls. Painting the ceiling and walls the same color for certain spaces works perfectly well but isn't always ideal. For the most desirable look, we've found that using either dark or light colors of the paint spectrum look the best. Sometimes those medium paint tones don't create the eye-catching results hoped for. It's said that painting your walls and ceiling the same color has the ability to make your room look bigger. The idea is that the seamless transition from walls to the ceiling will draw your eyes upward, giving the illusion of more space. You might not believe it, but this concept works especially well with crown molding. When painting the same color as the ceiling and wall, crown molding can add height to your room. Pros of painting ceilings and walls the same color. Painting the walls and ceiling the same color is faster and less expensive than purchasing two separate colors of paint. It can help make the ceiling look higher. Painting walls with angled walls and ceilings the same color can avoid making the room look and feel choppy. You avoid the worry of using conflicting undertones. It can bring a cozy feeling to a large room. It creates a seamless look. While there is no clear answer if using different colors for your walls and ceilings is best, in the end it will come down to personal preference. Ultimately, it's your home and you should create a space you enjoy living in. Cons of painting ceilings and walls the same color. Sometimes painting your walls and ceiling the same color can make your room look closed in or small, especially if there aren't natural lighting sources. If you're looking for a bold, contrasting look, using the same paint won't be a great choice for you. If going with a bold or bright color, it may be too over the top to use the same color on both ceilings and walls. Using the same color can create a caved-in effect if there's no other color in the room to break up the space. It can look too monotone or boring. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.